Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a kimono on Dress to Impress. So you'll need the VIP for this, as you need this. I'm just going to color the base, maybe like a floral color, and I'm just going to color the top like either pink or white. You can choose any color that you'd like. Let me just snatch that up real quick. Just gonna walk into this section over here. I'm going to select this and I'm going to just toggle this and only get the skirt. Then I'm going to color the dress the same, like the skirt, sorry. And this belt the same color as her like neckline. I'm also just going to change the color of her nails real quick. Then I'm just going to add these sandals. I'm just going to color them like a brown. Let me just go back and like get a fan here as well. And I'm going to color it the same, well, kind of the same. Oops, wrong one. Maybe I'll color that the same as that. Then if you'd like to, you can add in socks as well. And I'm just going to add a flower for the finishing touch. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I don't think this is working, but oops. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.